Hi, my name is Kaylee Mary, and this is my lesson plan assignment sections 1 through 3. Section 1, Learning Objectives. My learning objective is Common Core Standard W.5.6. With some guidance and support from adults, students will use technology, including the internet, to produce and publish writing as well as to interact and collaborate with others. They will also demonstrate sufficient command of keyboarding skills to type a minimum of 2 pages in a single setting. My learning objective is the students will be able to produce and publish a writing piece as well as interact and collaborate with others. And I've chosen this objective because it's a part of the student's Common Core Standard and because it's a natural progression of the student's skill and learning. Our goal as teachers should be to build upon learning and have a building block for students' future learning, and this objective does that. Section 2, Student Grouping. How will you group the students for instructions? To introduce the lesson, I will use whole group instruction. During this time, I will basically give them the guidelines and give them the rubric for the grading process of their final writing piece, and kind of explain and give them the rules and guidelines of this lesson. Students will then begin to work independently to produce a rough draft of their writing piece. After the rough draft, students will then work together and collaborate during the edit process. After they've done that, students will then again work independently to produce their final writing piece. After that, I will grade their final writing piece according to a rubric. Why have you chosen this grouping? I chose this grouping so students could interact as a class while also being able to use their own creativity. Section 3, Methods and Instructional Strategies. What teaching methods will you use for this lesson? I will use guided lecture. That's basically me giving the students the guidelines for the lesson. Student-led discussion is the students working collaboratively during the editing process. And independent practice, that's when the students are working by themselves to publish their final piece. Why have you chosen these methods? Because they will allow students to be involved with others and work independently while working on this project. This project has a variety of methods, and these are just the 3 basic ones.